Alright, what do we got ourselves here? I will be assembling and installing a Go-Rhino push bumper for a 2014 Ram here. And its purpose is to take out Buick Park Avenues and LeSabres, stuff like that in the parking lot when grandma isn't looking. Maybe the occasional deer if you get a nice head-on collision doesn't hit you on the side as well. So we're going to need a 19, 15, and 11 mil. I'm using my metric for this, even though it should be imperial because I was in my attached garage and I get the correct 3/8 stuff, 3/8 or whatever. So we'll just go ahead and put this together. This is going to be the boring part, and then I'll show you how I assemble the entire product on the vehicle itself. So what's nice about this kit is that it allows you to retain your factory tow hooks. These are really nice tow hooks here. And what you do is just basically wrap them kind of around like so. And the one thing is, what I don't like is that you have to put this in and then use these bolts that they have, these little guys, rather than the factory ones. So I might just drill out these holes a little bit bigger and coat them with some paint on the inside to prevent some more corrosion. So to get at these bolts, it's a bolt and a nut behind here. I gotta climb underneath the truck to counter hold it, so give me a second. There's your factory tow hook. And basically, what you want to do is slip this guy on like so. But they want you to use these skinny ass little bolts. This is very poor in my opinion. Why would you use a little 3/8 bolt? We got these nice 1/2 inch dogs right here. Basically, you get a little 1/2 inch difference. But they make it too small to put this in. So what I'm gonna do, definitely, I'm gonna open up this hole to allow this factory bolt to go in, and then I got some stock of some 1/2 inch longer bolts in this, so we can reuse all the factory style hardware and not go down in size. Because why would you go down in size? So I had to run out to the store to get me some new bolts. These are the bolts that I bought. It cost me $24 extra instead of using these, and they're 10.9 by the way, which the factory bolts are a grade 10.9. And M12, this is some little M8 POS with a grade freaking whatever 3, no grade on it whatsoever. So I'm using OEM grade hardware so I can keep these tow hooks exactly how Ram intended it. And I went ahead, drilled those bolt holes bigger, painted them, good to go now. The one thing I don't like is that these are zinc coated, but that's all right. nice, big, beautiful flange head bolts right here. Grade 10-9 M12s. We can go ahead and put these in now. I was able to get this bracket on. Now we're gonna get this one out, so we're gonna take off this hook here. And as I mentioned earlier, I drilled these holes out bigger so I could fit the M12 grade 10.9 factory rated bolts in there. So we're just gonna yank this guy off. There we go. You just have to loosen this enough so you can sneak this bracket on. And bracket goes on the outside like so. So you just sneak it in like this. You can get your tow hook back on there. And then we're gonna use our longer bolts on the outside. They finally got your brackets on there after struggling with them in the damn snow the whole time. Now we can put these little brackets on, these guys, and I'll show you where those sneak into. Here you got your tow hook, and here you got these little flange, and that little flange right here sits just above here if you were to look directly through it. So what you do is you sneak this in through and out, and then you bolt it through. We got these brackets are in solid. These are just a little hand tight, so they have some adjustment on them. And place it on here. Have to loosen out these brackets a little bit. Now we're mocked up here. All we gotta do is tighten all bolts. basically it. Alright, here's it finished up. I've had it on for a couple weeks now. Nice profile. And it is damn sturdy. Stand on it. So far so good. Hopefully I don't end up hitting anything with it, but if I do, should be pretty strong.